What does it take to become one of India's toughest warriors? Is it the body? The mind?
बम को बैरल में दाखिल करने से पहले सेफ्टी पिन को निकाल लिया जाए.
Or something deeper?
घनघोर अंधेरी रातों में, तूफानों में, बरसातों में हम खड़े सदा से अटल अविचल. हम हैं सीमा सुरक्षा बल. हम हैं सीमा सुरक्षा बल.
In fire, sweat and silence. Welcome to a place where dreams are drilled into discipline, where boys and girls men and women become warriors and shields. This academy is the crucible where India's border security force warriors are forged. Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching National Security with your host Kriti Mishra. This episode focuses on world's largest border guarding force, India's first line of defense, the BSF. But have you ever imagined how exactly are they trained? To lead in various theatres and of course create constant saga of bravery and sacrifice? Well, in this edition, let me take you inside their academy in Tekanpur. Come along. Hidden away in the heart of Madhya Pradesh, near the historic city of Gwalior, lies a world not many civilians have seen. A 3,000-acre campus of discipline, intelligence and courage. This is no ordinary academy. This is where the future protectors of India's
Fast or fast.
7,000-kilometer long border are carved. One push-up,
पैर पकड़िए, कमर में डालिए. अब एक साथ.
one tactical mission, and one oath at a time.
Set up 52. Set up 52. Set up 52.
The year was 1965. India had just emerged from another war, and the need for a dedicated border security force became clearer than ever. In 1966, Tekanpur saw the birth of a modest training centre, what would later become the BSF Academy. Named after the visionary K.F. Rustamji, the founding father of the BSF, this academy would go on to shape thousands of officers who stood like immovable rocks. In the face of terror, smuggling, infiltration, and war. India's borders are among the most hostile in the world. From the burning Thar to the freezing Himalayas, from the northeast jungles to riverine Bangladesh borders, a single slip can cost lives. One moment of weakness could lead to an incursion. This is where Tekanpur comes in. The challenge? Well, to prepare officers and men and women and warriors, not just for the border duty, but to lead, adapt and survive in any terrain under any threat.
One. Up. Two. Up. Three. Up.
The day starts at 4:30 a.m.
Come on! Large front!
There are no excuses, no shortcuts. Cadets are pushed beyond physical limits.
Ready? Go!
From endurance runs to fireman lifts, from crawling under barbed wire to stimulated border warfare. This is where laziness dies and grit is born.
Switch number 1, run! Body सावधान. Body mount.
BSF warriors aren't just warriors, they are thinkers. Courses on national security, international relations, counter-insurgency and law enforcement are part of everyday learning. And with the rise of cyber threats and hybrid warfare, the Academy constantly updates its training modules to match global challenges.
बम को बैरल में दाखिल करने से पहले सेफ्टी पिन को निकाल लिया जाए। ये था एचई बम को तैयार करने का तरीका। इसमें किसी हिसाब का कोई डाउट नहीं।
टेकनपुर बीएसएफ एकेडमी बीएसएफ की एक प्रीमियर एकेडमी है। इसकी स्थापना 1965 में की गई थी। ये इलाका पहले डकैतों से भरा हुआ था। एकेडमी की स्थापना के बाद इस इलाके में कानून और व्यवस्था में बहुत बड़ा सुधार आया है। उसके साथ साथ इस इलाके का बहुत बड़ा विकास भी हुआ है। बीएसएफ एकेडमी हमें हर तरह के ऑफिसर्स को तैयार करती है। बीएसएफ के लीडरशिप रोल्स के लिए ऑफिसर्स को तैयार करती है।
Center for Officers Training was conceptualized and founded as Specialist Training School in the year 1966 for conducting basic training of newly inducted officers and subordinate officers of BSF.
LMG position, rifle group, fire, LMG group, बताई हुई जगह, move.
After extensive deliberations, it was rechristened as Center of Officers Training on 24th April 2019, in line with its main task of conducting basic courses for assistant commandants and sub-inspectors. The objectives are to train and transform a civilian youth into a confident, courageous and competent force member. To impart professional knowledge and skills as well as to make an officer who strives for excellence and respects human values. Since then, 51 batches of assistant commandant and 56 batches of sub-inspectors have passed out from the portals of BSF Academy. That has contributed immensely towards growth and progress of BSF including several achievements and sacrifices.
Single shot! Hop!
The basic training marks the beginning of a significant journey in the lives of the trainees, a journey of discipline, service and honor. By donning this uniform, they not only choose a career but also embrace a sacred responsibility. The Border Security Force is just not an organization, it is a way of life. It stands as a symbol of resilience, courage and unwavering commitment to protecting the sovereignty and integrity of India. The trainee officers undergo rigorous training that challenges their physical stamina, mental toughness and leadership abilities.
Start our routine at 4 o'clock very early in the morning with a rigorous running and high intensity workout which includes pull-up, push-ups, burpee push-ups and many more things. Afterwards we go for drill which focuses on increasing our coordinations. After that we have weapon classes, again increasing our ability to handle multiple kinds of weapon, LMGs, INSAS and everything.
The training is designed not just to prepare them for the responsibilities that they will bear, but to instill in them the core values of the BSF: duty, discipline and dedication.
राइफल में सबसे पहले कोई भी रोक पड़ता है तो सबसे पहले की कार्रवाई क्या होगा? एक क्षण में साहब
खाली मैगजीन, मिस फायर, बॉडी की रोक और सख्त खिंचाव।
Here I am on journey of becoming a combatized doctor. So basically our basic training is going on and it's a 4th week of our total 18 week of basic training, and here I am to develop my basic soldier skills. So wherever our BSF is deployed, from hilly mountains of Kashmir to the run of the Kutch and dense mountains of dense forest of northeast to the whole belt of the West Bengal. So we can serve at every place, and basically my basic job is to take a good health care of our Jawans and the people are living in the border areas.
From day one of their transformative journey, they are exhorted to approach the training with seriousness and an open mind and encouraged to absorb all that they can, learn from instructors and forge bonds with peers.
पोजीशन ठीक बनाइए, सिंगल शॉट,
सेक्शन पूरा भाई, हरा 10.
The academy not just trains them, it shapes them into capable and confident leaders, the BSF.
I have seen that there's a lot of improvement in my personality also, and discipline is too increasing. I would say that the day I joined BSF, the day I came to the gate of our training academy, it was a very pride moment for me, and I was really proud of myself and really thankful to my parents that who have given me the opportunity to excel to this level that I have been in the position to join.
I'll take you inside the challenging and fascinating world of these men of steel. Come along. The Border Security Force Commando School stands as a vital institution, shaping ordinary personnel into highly specialized commandos capable of undertaking the most challenging and critical operational tasks. Established on 18 September 1967 as Tactical Training Center, it was renamed as Center for Tactics and Strategic Studies in April 2019.
Come on, go!
It was declared Center for Excellence for Commando Training by MHA in March 2003. Its genesis lies in the recognition of the evolving security landscape and the need for a dedicated force equipped with exceptional skills to counter specific threats, particularly in high-risk border areas and internal security scenarios. The importance of the BSF Commando School cannot be overstated. It serves as a bedrock for creating a highly skilled and adaptable commando force that provides BSF with a crucial operational edge. BSF is deployed in far-flung areas, most interior part of the country, with extreme climatic conditions and in hostile terrain. In order to maintain operational and administrative efficiency of the unit, the roadworthiness of vehicles plays a vital role. In case any vehicle falls in a ditch or a pond or a gorge, it needs to be retrieved. A need was felt to train own troops in recovery operations of vehicles. After due deliberation, a procedure was formulated, keeping all safety aspects in mind. This recovery procedure is taught and is practiced by the troops who undergo the recovery course. These trained troops in recovery procedure get deployed in the unit, and they are very efficient in recovering different types of vehicles. Chetak is the name given to demonstration of dismantling and reassembling a Maruti Gypsy within a short duration in precise acumen of CSMT mechanics and to display a technical efficiency of bordermen in carrying a vehicle over a non-negotiable obstacle. This demonstration was designed and developed to showcase research and development capabilities. As of the latest trend in Kashmir, all the routes are blocked or dug out to stop movement of forces. In such conditions, this type of training gives additional confidence to the troops. The Jabaz or Daredevil team was raised in the year 1990 with a view to train our riders who can reach far-flung areas where a four-wheeler can't fly, as well as for their evacuation in the case of any casualty. World-renowned Jabaz team has achieved dozens of world records in their name, which has been registered by various international agencies. Similar to Jabaz team, Seema Bhavani female team was also raised in the year 2016 to demonstrate the same expertise and also motivate young girls to join the elite border security force. The Seema Bhavani female team has performed in Republic Day parades as well, and they have 4 world records to their credit.
यहाँ निरंतर ट्रेनिंग चलती है। केंद्रीय गाड़ी मोटर प्रशिक्षण संस्थान है यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चुनौतियों को हम रखते हैं। बॉर्डर से जो जो चुनौतियाँ आती हैं उनको हम यहाँ पे सिखलाई के माध्यम से ट्रेनीज़ को देते हैं। इसी क्रम में हमने 2017 में हमारी जो महिला प्रहरी थी उनका यहाँ ट्रेनिंग शुरू किया और उनके द्वारा एक सीमा भवानी टीम तैयार हुई जो आपने विश्व पटल मंच पर भी देखा होगा। उनके नाम से 5 विश्व कीर्तिमान हैं।
TSU of the BSF Tekanpur Academy is the sole manufacturer of tear smoke munitions known as tear gas in local Paralam. It was established in Tekanpur on 12th May 1976. Prior to this, for riot control, India used to import tear smoke munitions. But the establishment of TSU was a watershed moment in the history of maintaining law and order by Indian security forces that eventually ended dependence on foreign munitions. TSU has made India self-reliant, most reliable and leading producer of non-lethal munitions. It is a matter of pride that TSU is fulfilling Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and its products adhere to the adage of minimum force and maximum impact. The products manufactured by TSU are used for riot control and maintaining law and order situation by police forces all over the country, as well as UN peacekeeping contingents of Indian forces. Timely and properly utilization of tear smoke munitions have saved valuable human lives and public assets. TSU products are hailed as world-class and have been used by police forces in friendly foreign nations as well. TSU has excellent R&D capacity, and they constantly strive to improve the existing products and develop new ones in consonance with ground requirement of police forces in recent years. TSU has an excellent R&D facility, and it constantly strives to improve the existing products and developed new ones. The most recent development of Tear Smoke Unit is a unique and versatile drone tear smoke launcher which has the capability to carry tear smoke grenades and can launch these grenades precisely inside the crowd wherever required.
A Tear Smoke Unit was established in 1976 with the mandate to manufacture the less lethal munitions for the law enforcing agencies of India to maintain the law and order situations in India. Accordingly, this unit was established in BSF Academy in Tekanpur, MP. We started our journey with the production target of 50,000 tear smoke munitions per annum, and as on date, we are manufacturing more than 6 lakh TSMs of 47 types and providing this less lethal munition to all the state police forces, all paramilitary forces, Indian armies, Navy, SPG, NSG, DRD, and to the union contingent, those who are going abroad for the UN mission.
ऑपरेशन के दौरान जंगल के अंदर हमने काफ़ी देर तक ठहरना पड़ता है, या हम अपना हॉस्टेज के चक्कर में हमने प्लेस भी चुनना पड़ता है। अगर उस जगह पर हमें सांप निकलता है, किसी प्रकार के अन्य प्रकार के सांप निकलते रहते हैं, हम इसमें क्या सांप के बारे में जानकारी होना जरूरी है। ये जहरीला सांप है या नॉर्मल सांप है। अगर हम जहरीला सांप है तो उसके साथ हम डीलिंग अलग प्रकार के करते हैं। अगर इस प्रकार अजगर या नॉर्मल सांप निकलता है, उसको हमने क्या करना, जिस जगह पर हमने डरा हुआ उस जगह से उसको सेफ जगह पर शिफ्ट कर देना। उसको पकड़ने का सबसे आसान तरीका है अजगर का मुंह के पास हल्का सा प्रेस करना, सीधा मुंह पकड़ना है, पूरा बॉडी के समेत उस जगह से उसको धीरे धीरे ले जाना है, दूसरा जगह पर उसको शिफ्ट कर देना है। फिर वापस हम अपने स्थान पर अपना पोजीशन लेके अगली कार्रवाई के लिए तैयारी।
National Training Centre for Dogs was established on April 18, 1970. It is a premier institution of BSF under the Ministry of Home Affairs. In the Border Security Force, instead of using the word dog, the word shwan, that is Sanskrit word for dog, is used. In foreign countries too, instead of using the word dog, the term canine is used. Even in terms of security, dogs are extremely reliable. Initially, NTCD started with a small unit of 20 dogs with 30 men of various ranks, which gradually expanded. Over the time, both infrastructure and the number of dogs have increased.
So, shabash, shabash.
This centre also has breeding ground for dogs. It has been declared Centre of Excellence by MHA in 2002 and has been awarded ISO certification. The centre has a total of 15 kennels equipped with cooling systems for housing 150 dogs. The contribution of this centre has been commendable. And trustworthy in areas such as anti-terrorism, wildlife protection and crime control within and outside the country. So far, in All India Police Duty Meet, the dogs trained by this centre have won a total of 60 gold, 37 silver and 21 bronze, and the team championship 14 times, as well as the Best Dog of the Meet award 4 times, which is the highest performance. Which is the most remarkable performance. Impressively, in the last 3 years, the centre has consistently won the overall team championship.
जय हिंद सर, एसपीजी K9 ब्रांच। जय हिंद श्रीमान, एमपी फॉरेस्ट K9 ग्रुप।
जय हिंद श्रीमान, तमिलनाडु पुलिस डॉग स्क्वाड।
जय हिंद श्रीमान, सिक्किम पुलिस K9 ब्रांच।
जय हिंद श्रीमान, राजस्थान पुलिस CIDIB।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मन की बात में एक सूचन किया था कि अगली बार आप डॉग को अडॉप्ट करें तो आप भारतीय नस्ल के डॉग्स को घर पे लेके आएं, और उसी सूचन के तहत BSF ने भारतीय नस्ल के 2 ब्रीड, एक मुधोल हाउंड और एक रामपुर हाउंड को अडॉप्ट किया और उनकी ब्रीडिंग भी शुरू की, और उसमें बहुत अच्छे परिणाम मिले हैं। पिछले साल मुधोल हाउंड की रिया नाम की एक ब्रीड जो थी, वो चैम्पियनशिप में बेस्ट ट्रैकर का अवार्ड खिताब लेके आई है।
After months of pain, learning and transformation comes the moment every cadet dreams of, the passing out parade. Dressed in ceremonial uniforms, with chins up and hearts thundering, they march not as students but as leaders. The oath echoes the promise of a life lived for others, a life lived for India. Tekanpur doesn't just train soldiers. It breeds gardens of the borders. From the quiet lakes that surround Suraksha Bhavan to the roaring chants of dawn, every inch of this land whispers only one word, that is duty. And for those who walk out of its gates with a badge and dream, the border isn't just a line, it's a promise to India. Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. With camera persons Jitendra Negi and Junaid Iqbal Khan, I'm Kriti Mishra, signing off from Tekanpur.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.